Try this hack to make your face mask fit better. Wearing face masks comes with its inconveniences, potential breathing troubles, the heat, fogged up glasses, and, as more people are noticing, the fit. Luckily, here is a hack that makes your face mask fit better on your face. Facial coverings are recommended by the CDC to help prevent the spread of COVID, but anyone who has attempted to wear a surgical mask can tell you that they don't always fit properly. Here is what you need to do if your mask does not fit. First, fold your mask in half. Next, tie a knot using the ear loops on each side, staying as close as you can to the mask. Now, you want to open the mask. You'll see a little opening on the sides next to the loop, which you'll then tuck in. Then you're going to want to put on your face mask and see how much closer to your face it fits. This trick also helps prevent your glasses from fogging up. During the start of the pandemic, experts have weighed in on ways you can prevent your glasses from fogging up while wearing a face mask. While your breath flows upward, this may be a sign that the face mask is not tight enough around the bridge of your nose. Some fogging up is normal. If you are wearing an adjustable cloth mask, you may want to try tightening it. While adjusting the mask, you must change the position of your mask and glasses. You could also lower how the mask sits on your face, so your exhale breath exhaust is a little bit lower. Click the video on the screen right now.